Hello everyone, welcome back to BT InfoSec. My name is BT and today I'm going to be going through a brief walkthrough of the day 5. The day 5 is talking about Pesky Elf Forum. So the story goes like this. The Elf Forum is where all the elves express their joy and excitement about Christmas, but Grinch Enterprises has one bad admin account, and Dave installed a plugin that changes all mentions of Christmas to Buttmas. McSkitty needs to find that admin account and disable the plugin. So the learning objectives for today talks about what is XSS vulnerability, which XSS means cross-site scripting. What types of XSS vulnerabilities are there? Challenge walkthrough. So cross-site scripting is a type of vulnerability. It's a security vulnerability that can be found in some web applications. A lot of web applications are vulnerable to these attacks, and it's something that we should know about. The knowledge is very, very important. And if you go through this walkthrough here, it says cross-site scripting, better known as XSS, is a cybersecurity community in the cybersecurity community. So it is known as XSS in the cybersecurity community. It's classified as an injection attack where malicious JavaScript gets injected into a web application with the intention of being executed by other users. So I'll recommend you going through this. But for today's walkthrough, we're gonna just we're gonna do exactly what we're told, because this is the Advent of Cyber basically covers a lot of understanding, a lot of walkthrough for you to know more about cybersecurity and some cybersecurity skills. So the challenge for today says click the start machine. So let's start our machine first. We're supposed to do that so that we won't wait for too long. So now it says click the green start machine button on the top right of the task. Once the machine has loaded, please click the following link. So we're waiting for our machine to get loaded, and let's go through and see what exactly we got. So basically we have this web page. They're giving us a username and a password, and this leads us to an elf forum, basically, where people create posts, and they post it out there. The elves make posts and post it out in the forum. Just click on the settings link and you'll notice a feature. Okay, let's wait for our machine to get up. Let's go and see what challenge we need to get done. So basically, Christmas to Buttmas, we have to disable this and we have to put our flag in here. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so our machine is loaded. So now we click this to open the elf forum. So this is the elf forum here. It says we can log in. Let's go get our credentials. So it's MaxKitty and the password is password. So let's post it then. Don't save. Okay. MaxKitty and the password. Most likely, maybe I put it the wrong way. Or is there a space here? Nope, there's no space. Okay, the password should work. Don't save. Yep, and we're in. So if you see it here, it says log out. That shows that we are logged in. So let's go through the steps that we're given here. So after logging in, it says click on the settings link and you'll notice a feature of changing MaxKitty's login password. Try changing your password to pass123. When you do this, you'll notice your address bar changes to look like the below screenshot. See? So let's go and change the password first. Click settings, change password pass123. Click update. And you guys can see right here, the pass 123 is right there, just exactly how it looks like here. So let's now get back to the forum and visit one of the threads. If you scroll to the bottom, you notice that you're able to leave a comment. Try leaving a comment. Okay, so let's leave a comment right away. Copy this. So basically, this is saying hello. This U with this back arrow and front arrow, like a bracket. This is basically telling this the web server to underline this word. So let's just try it out and see. You're gonna see what I mean. So we click this. So now let's go to the forum. Our forum. So let's click on general, for example. Click on so excited. So this is the bot mask that the Grinch has changed all the posts. They can't wait until it's supposed to be Christmas, but the Grinch changed the bot mask, you know. So let's post this. This is hello and this. So you leave comment. So you can see right now the script, basically that's code for the U we put in there. It was telling the web server to underline the word, and that's what it did exactly. So not to waste too much of our time, let's go over down to the main deal of the day. So it says this means the comment is reflected as you wrote it without the underlying HTML tags being stripped out. So now it says using the URL you found earlier for changing the user's password, you can try following the payload. So this is a script. So we're kind of passing a script to the back end because the web server is vulnerable to cross-site scripting, and cross-site scripting is it's a vulnerability where you can communicate with the back-end server, send a arbitrary command, and once you send that command, you know, it can either break the web server or you're actually telling the web server to do something, you know, from the front end, you're sending something to the back end. So this one is saying fetch, and it says settings, new password. So basically, like what you guys see up here, okay, when I change the password, let me go back to the screenshot. So this screenshot right here that says this. So we put in settings, new password. We're now telling the script to change. So it says after posting the above as a comment, you could view the web page source to see whether it has been shown correctly. So let's do this. Copy, go, paste, Control V to paste and put leave comment. So now you see there's nothing shown here, but right now, if you look at the page source, view page source, we right click and you view page source, when we come all the way down here, this is the script we sent to the back end. So basically, this web server accepted our script, but the front end, which is here, is not showing any comment. So we actually sent a command to the web server. So basically, what it says here, it says the script basically, now that we have this XSS running on the forum, it means that any logged in users viewing the thread will automatically have their password changed to pass123. Okay, so let's go back to log out. So it says once logged in, go to the settings page. So now let's try to log in as the Grinch because we've asked it to change up the password to this. So let's try to log in as the Grinch. So automatically the Grinch password is going to be changed to that. So Grinch pass123. Boom. And now we're in. You can see it says log out. Can you see? So let's click settings and let's disable this. So now this is our flag. We can come down here and paste our flag. And that is the end of this challenge. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining me today. That was a very brief one going through this cross-site scripting. Cross-site scripting is a very good knowledge to have for web application. I recommend you going through this room and also trying to take some extra training on the cross-site scripting. Anyways, thank you very much for joining me. Please subscribe. I'm going to be uploading more videos as much as I can, and have a wonderful time.